Alright. 0 to 1 million challenge week 2. And a lot has happened. And in this short recap video, I'll go over what the status of the challenge is, what trades I took, which mistakes I made, and how you can capitalize on this information to not make the same mistakes. And we'll go into week 3 even more powerful. So the goal is very simple. 35% win rate is where I'm shooting for, so it's a low win rate. So out of 10 trades, I can lose 6 and still be profitable with a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. And I shoot for a high volume of trades. So some also bad setups. It's part of it. I try to take as many A setups as possible, but I want to pass this as quickly as possible. Start with 500k challenges, aiming to pass 1 or 2 from those 5 fundeds. I want to have 1 payout, 2%, 2k, and then rinse and repeat. And let's go over the journal from this week. So I took, again, 10 trades, just like last week, and slightly lower win rate this week, 30%. So 3 out of 10 trades were winners, 6 losses, 1 break even. And full transparency, everything is shared in the Telegram. So if you're not in the Telegram, make sure you go to the description to see the link and join and follow along. So the journal, these were the trades from this week. So NASDAQ took many losses on. So NASDAQ was not the best pair of the week. Again, star player was gold. And I'm going to look at that right now as well. So this is how the journal looks like combined with the previous week. We both have a plus 4R in both weeks. So plus 8R so far on the challenge. And it also will reflect in how the challenges are going. Some are wins, some are losses. I will share with you that later in this video. So let's go over the not star player of this week. That was NASDAQ. And NASDAQ took on Thursday, nice trade. Then I want to take the continuation here as well, but it got stopped out during the 10 AM game, the classic 10 AM game, with 1 point before going to TP. That's part of the game. So that was very nice. We had this up move this week. And of course, we have Trump inauguration coming in. So Monday bank holiday. So I'm very excited to what that will bring to the market. Yesterday, I took the worst trade of the week by far here on NASDAQ. It was a clear 10 AM game long, and I took it short. Not sure what I was thinking, maybe tired or just not very sharp. So that's completely on me. So NASDAQ was not the greatest, but who was the greatest? Again, second week in a row, it was gold. It was gold. 2 trades here, and this was a 1 to 5. Like the usual suspect is the 1 to 2.5 towards this high, but there was such a clear indication we want to go higher that I held it through 1 to 5. So big win here. And yesterday, on Friday, I want to take another continuation towards the draw on liquidity. That's the high here. We didn't get that. For next week, I will share in the weekly outlook that now we create a daily busy and how we can long from there. So took a loss, and I have a rule in a market maker buy model. I just keep longing until I got stopped out. And this was the case. So up in premium of the range, makes sense. So NASDAQ and gold were the star player. And from that point, let's go finish off with the status of the challenges. Right now, we have 2 funded accounts already. So that means 200k funded, 20% there. One is on an FTMO 100k, one is on a Alpha Capital 100k. The Alpha Capital was a 1-step challenge. So the gold trade got me funded in 1 trade. And that was very nice. And the other one, the third one, is a challenge phase 2. And from the other 2 challenges are lost. So one phase 1 is lost, and the other one, the phase 2 from last week, I got to draw in there and I lost that on Friday, yesterday. So 5 challenges, 3 are going well, 2 not. Well, part of the game, I don't want to pass all 5. That's expectation. Like I said here, I'm aiming to only pass 1 or 2 out of 5. So I already have 2. Perfect. We are on track. And even if I have on the next batch of 5, I only pass 1, or maybe I'm gonna have batches with a losing streak where I don't pass any challenges, it's all part of the game, guys. It's slowly but steadily. We have very fast weeks where we win all the trades. We have very slow weeks. And the first 2 weeks of this year, of the challenge, were quite average. So I cannot wait to get the first losing streak. Sounds weird, but I cannot wait to get the first losing streak and get the first winning streak, so we can come back to these videos and see, hey, this is what an average week looks like, this is what a good week looks like, and this is how a bad week looks like. So all step by step, and if you follow along, make sure your journal is up to date every single week. So make it a rule for yourself that before you start a new trading week, that you have journaled all your trades from the previous week. And you have wins, you have losses, you have mistakes, you have lessons, and make sure those lessons are very sharp for you to go to the next week. So week 3 is coming up, Trump inauguration, and we also have FOMC coming up, rate cuts coming in later this month. So a lot to cover, and I'm very excited to have you on the ride here. So enjoy the rest of your weekend, and see you back next week. Bye-bye.